Previously.
Jesus Christ. See, man, when me work for, them man not play with time. Who rob you? You know who rob you?
I don't know. They came from out of nowhere.
Find the rest of money, eh? That me I tell you. He rap a lot.
Different still in a whole heap of youth out a road of talent, you know. So it's like a culture buckle thing. That's some international swag.
One fuck me can't repeat.
I don't wait on no one.
I kind of went and borrowed some money. I got robbed. I'm trying to fix things, you know what I mean? I just need to know that I have your support.
You better fix it.
Yo, Flakes, how you feel about getting back in the studio, you know? I'm on, son.
$10,000 for the winner. I think I'm gonna enter.
Yo, yeah, deal it. Boss say I want to see you tomorrow, so I'm forward for you. Alright. So everything good?
Yeah, man.
Long time I don't do a thing, you know, so yeah, deal
Yo,
it.
stop it.
You move like say,
Yo, stop it.
Yeah, hola. Listen, dog. Like, my music not going through. I want my songs for them to play now, dog. Like, because all this Jamaican, all they acting funny, why I can't get my songs to play too?
Yo, I'm still bringing you out of the studio, man. Zine?
I hear that.
You have a job for you, yeah?
I hear that and every.
So what? Rap a lot, man. Fuck these niggas, man. Okay, guys, so basically, I got an idea for a song. The name of the song is NyQuil Pussy.
NyQuil pussy.
One said NyQuil Pussy. Yeah, like NyQuil Pussy. It's like,
Let me ask you a question. Where did you get this song from? Where you just like get up and wrote this song?
this is a song that I was thinking about for a minute now. Like, you know what I mean? I was just thinking, you know what I mean? A girl who you have sex with, all of a sudden you just fall asleep. She got that good coochie. You feel what I'm saying, though? Yeah, man, I wrote that song. I did everything with that song. It's good.
NyQuil Pussy.
A girl,
The fuck you on, Flakes? What's going on in your head, bruh?
a girl who after she sexes you go to sleep no matter what.
NyQuil Pussy.
So it goes, she got the NyQuil pussy.
I mean, this is not my type of music, you know?
Flakes, where you get that from, man? You know, and Professor, you could probably do the Jamaican part, like, as my fuck, just asleep, or as I fuck, just put it together. Man, so me do the part where say, as my fuck, me sleep. Zin? Yeah, man, cause that part sound like a reggae part.
She got the NyQuil pussy. Okay, I guess. Whatever.
Yo, just show me where to battle a nigga, man. Come on, man. This shit is garbage, man.
I'm gonna take you to this guy. His name is Angus Bryan. He's a producer. You know, he got a lot of connects, and we can get this deal. Now, don't forget, you have to get this song right. So you guys have to practice the melody and everything. Please put it together. Also, there is an additional contest for a song. 2,000 for the winner. Boom. So y'all might want to think about that. Once you get the song together,
Jeez.
you give it to me. I'll make sure you get that money.
2G sounding lovely.
Okay? But there's also a fee from that $2,000 for me putting you on. Understand? Alright? So you guys get to working on that, alright? Thank you. Welcome, boss.
You two is my most trusted. I hope you're not messing around.
Focus on the business, minus the pleasure while y'all work.
Boss, listen. You know, she come like a sister to me. So, you know, I'm not going to go this up. And then again, I will probably be like Keisha.
Excuse me?
A joke.
You play too much.
Joke.
All jokes aside, I need y'all to focus, because y'all might not have me around for this one day. Alright?
Everything, we're focused on everything step on track, so they don't know, so we have to keep a focus on the thing, so should go tell them, because we have business to take care, you understand?
Yo, Dread.
What do you mother cut?
What's up, man? What's going on?
First of all, don't call me no fucking Dread. My name Dread, nigga. Wham. What you want?
Yo, I was looking, and I noticed you be hanging with Greg, right?
You know my man is, right?
Yeah,
You know my man is because you got some fam, right? You got it now? What's going on?
Nah, I'm trying to talk to him, but I don't know where he at. So you know, I'm trying to look for him.
It's taking long, that. Taking real fucking long. So, what you mean? What you need? You know he had that fucking diner spot like Thursday. Every Thursday. You know. So I don't know why you out here running up on me calling me fucking Dread and all this bullshit.
Every Thursday at the spot.
Look at my face. You know exactly where that man is. So don't be out here. You shouldn't be out here.
Alright, I'm gonna go talk to him though.
You do
But
it.
alright, Dread, take care,
I
man.
tell you about calling me fucking Dread. My name is Dread Dido.
Yo, same thing. Y'all all Jamaican.
I'm not Jamaican, man. It's fucking Jamaican.